Seeing Governor Wilder was it impacted me positively because seeing him come to our school and talk to us and just be interested enough to come out all the way here to talk to some high schoolers was very meaningful to me, and I'm sure it was meaningful to all my peers as well.
Seeing Governor Wilder today impacted me positively because it showed me what an African American man had to go through to be involved deeply in politics.
Today I got to meet Governor Doug Wilder and got to hear him speak. What impacted me the most was when he went to Korea, and he said he had lost hope because he thought he was going to go die. But after he had a conversation with somebody very important to him, he realized that not all hope is lost. It really impacted me because it gave me just a little shine of hope.
I thought that Governor Wilder just really helped me feel more comfortable as being a young adult and being able to speak up, because he brought up how no matter the age or who you are, your opinion matters and you should advocate for what you believe in. And I think that's just really important to me because often people think because of age, when you're younger, you're not taken seriously. But he just reassured us that no matter who you are, your opinion matters, and you should definitely go out and advocate for what's important to you, because in the end, it could lead to life-changing results.
What inspired me the most about Governor Wilder's speech was how to be a good leader in some aspects and some respects of never giving up on your dreams, given the hardships that you go through in life. That impacted me a lot because of my personal experiences that I went through and being part of a team that is so accepting. And it inspires a lot of people, I feel, as well as young leaders to go for your dreams and to pursue your dreams and to never give up.